Flip over your favorite package of flour tortillas tonight and look closely at the ingredient list. Most American shoppers over the age of 50 never check the back of the bag, and corporate food brands are banking on that exact habit. Inside the tortillas sitting in your refrigerator right now, you might find industrial dough conditioners made from duck feathers or dissolved human hair. You will find wood pulp used as a cheap texture filler and highly processed chemicals hidden inside products marketed as health foods. Today, we are exposing 5 major tortilla brands you should immediately remove from your kitchen and 2 clean options that actually deserve your trust. Number 5. Azteca tortillas. Many families across the Midwest have trusted Azteca tortillas for over 50 years. Since 1970, this specific brand has occupied grocery shelves in states like Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Illinois. For generations of shoppers, buying this package became an automatic reflex. Parents bought it, so their children continued to grab it without a second thought, assuming it was a wholesome local alternative to faceless national commodity brands. This deep sense of regional loyalty formed a strong foundation of consumer trust, but familiarity has allowed the manufacturer to avoid explaining what is actually inside the bag. When you examine the ingredient list, the local marketing illusion disappears. Azteca flour tortillas lead with enriched bleached flour, which is chemically stripped of its natural nutrients during industrial processing and synthetically restored later. The bleaching process is entirely cosmetic to make lower-grade flour look appealing. Furthermore, the dough contains L-cysteine, a conditioning agent used to stretch dough at extreme speeds without tearing. In commercial food production, this compound is regularly derived from duck feathers or dissolved human hair, though the source is never legally disclosed on the package. The formula also includes calcium propionate, an artificial mold inhibitor that forces the product to remain shelf-stable for 30 days at room temperature. Real flour, water, and fat naturally spoil within a few days. Azteca relies on the exact same heavy industrial chemistry as the massive national corporations it was supposed to replace. Number 4. Store brands. Store-brand tortillas represent the products that almost no one examines because they never claim to possess a premium heritage. Whether you pull great value from Walmart, the Kroger House label, or a Publix brand bag, there is no cultural story or traditional recipe printed on the plastic. Instead, you find plain text, a simple white bag, and a low price that easily undercuts named brands in the aisle. This complete absence of corporate identity is exactly why these packages escape close consumer scrutiny. If you flip the package over, you will see enriched bleached flour leading the ingredient list, followed closely by L-cysteine and calcium propionate. Many of these budget options also contain cellulose, which is an industrial wood pulp fiber added to modify texture and retain moisture artificially. The resulting 30-day shelf life is delivered by the exact same preservation chemistry running through premium national brands. Sharing this vital nutritional information helps more people protect their health and make informed choices at the grocery store. So taking a brief moment to like, share, and subscribe to the channel ensures this consumer research reaches the families who need it most. Ultimately, the formula inside a budget store bag is functionally identical to the most expensive named brands on the shelf. The only real difference is marketing spend, not ingredient integrity or production quality. Families buying the cheapest house option are getting the same industrial chemistry, just without paying for corporate advertising. Number 3. Old El Paso. I call this one the family ritual because it is a brand that did not just sell a tortilla, it successfully commercialized a weekly American institution. Taco Tuesday belongs to the famous yellow box more than any other brand in modern food culture. With hard shells on one side, soft flour tortillas on the other, and a seasoning packet in the middle, it promises parents that dinner is completely handled. This cultural achievement is highly effective, but the actual ingredients inside the box require a much more serious conversation. The seasoning packet poured into the ground beef contains high amounts of maltodextrin. This highly processed starch carries a glycemic index higher than table sugar, meaning it spikes blood sugar rapidly. The packet also contains silicon dioxide, an anti-caking agent used to stop powder from clumping, which is the primary chemical compound found in natural sand. Meanwhile, the soft flour tortillas in the kit rely on calcium propionate for preservation. Research published in the Journal of Pediatrics and Child Health noted potential associations with this preservative and negative behavioral changes in children, including irritability and restlessness. The hard shells are fried in vegetable oil treated with tertiary butyl hydroquinone, or TBHQ, a petroleum-derived preservative engineered to maximize retail shelf life. Old El Paso is owned by General Mills, a massive corporation optimizing for production margins. The weekly ritual feels like a warm family tradition, but the product itself is purely an engineered industrial commodity. Number 2. Guerrero Tortillas. Guerrero Tortillas bases its entire corporate identity on being the brand closest to traditional Mexican cooking. If you walk into any grocery store serving a Hispanic community, this brand sits prominently at the center of the aisle. The name, the rustic packaging imagery, and the strategic placement all signal closeness to the original culinary craft, invoking the feeling of a tortilla a grandmother would make by hand. However, this wholesome presentation hides a very different commercial reality. Guerrero is owned by Gruma, the largest tortilla corporation on the planet, which manufactures over 12 million tortillas every single day across multiple continents. The family kitchen identity and this massive industrial operation share the exact same label. Guerrero flour tortillas contain L-cysteine, the structural dough conditioner derived from duck feathers or dissolved human hair. Traditional bakers never required industrial feather derivatives to shape their dough. The chemical is present purely because a multi-million unit operation demands extreme mechanical speed. Furthermore, the formula contains propionic acid as a mold inhibitor and cellulose wood pulp fiber as a texture modifier. Even their corn tortilla line frequently includes cellulose, failing to deliver the traditional two-ingredient standard. Real masa carries a distinct earthy, slightly sour aroma produced naturally through the ancient soaking process called nixtamalization. A fresh package of Guerrero flour tortillas smells flat, neutral, and faintly processed because the formula prioritizes corporate efficiency standards over authentic cooking traditions. Number 1. Low-carb tortillas. Low-carb tortillas are consistently positioned as the healthiest option in the entire grocery aisle, yet they are actually the most chemically engineered products on this list. Diabetics and keto shoppers reach for these packages because they carefully calculate net carbohydrates to manage their metabolic health. The low carbohydrate number prominently displayed on the front label does deliver in a strict mathematical sense, but the packaging hides how modern food laboratories pull that number off. Manufacturers achieve this low count by adding high volumes of oat fiber, cellulose wood pulp, and modified wheat starch to offset the total carbohydrate measurement. However, introducing these dense fiber additives severely disrupts the natural structure, flexibility, and flavor of the dough. To compensate, a single low-carb flour tortilla frequently contains over 20 distinct ingredients, whereas a traditional recipe requires only 4. The formula relies on 3 completely separate emulsification systems running simultaneously, including sodium stearoyl lactylate, datum, and distilled monoglycerides, just to prevent the structural layout from physically collapsing. Furthermore, these products still contain calcium propionate, the exact same mold inhibitor flagged in pediatric behavioral research. Health labels who read health labels carefully to monitor glycemic impact often stop reading at the attractive net carb number, missing the 14 industrial processing chemicals sitting quietly at the bottom of the list. The health signal is simply a clever marketing distraction masking a highly processed, heavily engineered chemical formula. Best option number 2, Siete Family Foods. After examining 5 major brands that rely heavily on industrial chemistry, we finally reach the options that prioritize ingredient integrity. Siete Family Foods offers a grain-free alternative that completely removes every problematic compound, without forcing families to remove the tortilla from their dinner table. The brand did not begin as a corporate marketing strategy, but rather as a health necessity for the founders. When co-founder Veronica Garza developed severe autoimmune conditions in her early 20s, her family had to eliminate all grains from their diet. Because traditional tortillas sat at the absolute center of their heritage and daily meals, losing them felt like losing a piece of their family culture. The family spent years experimenting in their kitchen, ultimately creating a functional tortilla using alternative ingredients like cassava flour, coconut flour, and avocado oil. You will find absolutely no L-cysteine, cellulose, calcium propionate, or chemically bleached flour inside this package. Cassava is a natural root vegetable flour that provides excellent binding properties, meaning the dough holds together without requiring synthetic conditioners. Consequently, the retail shelf life is significantly shorter than standard commercial brands. This shorter window is not a product flaw, but rather direct biological proof that the food is completely free of chemical preservatives. It represents an honest formula that is now widely available at mainstream grocery chains nationwide. Best option number 1, La Tortilla Factory. La Tortilla Factory delivers the ultimate standard of clean ingredients by keeping the original 3-ingredient corn formula completely unchanged. Founded in Santa Rosa, California by the Tamayo family in 1977, this brand utilizes an ancient preparation process called nixtamalization. They soak and cook stone-ground corn in an alkaline water and lime solution before grinding it into fresh masa. This traditional method is not a modern marketing gimmick. It is a centuries-old technique that naturally increases protein bioavailability, releases essential B vitamins, and produces a rich, earthy aroma that no industrial chemical formula can replicate. You will find 0 dough conditioners, mold inhibitors, or wood pulp fibers inside this package. Because the formula remains entirely honest and free of synthetic preservatives, these tortillas naturally begin to go stale after 3 to 4 days at room temperature, behaving exactly like real food should. While massive industrial competitors count on consumers never checking the back of the package, this brand relies entirely on simple culinary integrity. Now that you know the truth behind the grocery aisle, take a close look at the tortilla package sitting in your own pantry tonight. Count every single ingredient listed past the basic elements of flour, water, fat, and salt. Please drop a comment below sharing the name of the brand you currently have at home and how many extra ingredients you discovered on the label.